Hello everyone, I am Prem Kumar. Welcome to Olympiads Math Academy. So today onwards, I am going to post daily, IOQM level questions. You can see the daily brain booster questions. So DPP. So 1, 2, 3. You can see the sequence of videos I am going to upload. Okay. You can able to access the video. Okay, so with the concept, with the problem, right? If you take one problem, what are the concept is required, how to approach the problem, right? And then next video I'm going to post, that maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, the video will be the congruence. The number theory, if you consider, the congruent based questions is very important. So many applications is there, congruence. You can find the remainder of the one number you divide by other number. So many application is there. We'll discuss that also. One shot will be there very soon. Okay. Now let us start with the today problem. You can see the integer n is such that the greatest integer function of n by 9 is a 3-digit number with equal digits, and square in greatest integer function of n minus 172 by 4 is a 4-digit number with the digits 2, 0, 2, 4. That means you have to take 2, 2, 1, 0, 1, 4. Okay, what is the remainder? What is the remainder when n is divided by 100? Clear? I hope everyone understand the question. So what is the first thing we need to find n? So to find what we need to find out? So to find n such that the greatest integer function of n by 9 is your 3-digit number, 3 digits equal 3 digits equal digits, 3-digit number such that this is the 3 digits number equal digits. Equal digits means what? 1, 1. Start the 3-digit number is 111, 222, right? So on, 999. This is the possibilities, right? Okay. Now first you have to find out the 4-digit number, right? What are the 4-digit number is there? You can see 2, 0, 2, 4 is there. Using this 4 digits, how many 4-digit number you can frame? You can see there are 4 digits, that is 4 factorial divided by, so 2 digits are repeating, so therefore you have to divide it by 2 factorial. Okay, so then you can see the 4 factorial is what? 4 into 3 into 2 factorial whole divided by 2 factorial. 2 factorial will be cancelled out, then you will get 12. 12 number is possible, but among that here 0 also involved here. Therefore, you cannot include the 0 in the first place. If you include the first place, it cannot be a 4-digit number. So, what are the numbers you have to remove it? Start with a 0, right? So, which number you can take? 2, 2, 4. You can see 4, 2, 2 you can say, right? And then 2, 4, 2 you can take, right? So 2, 2 is there, 1, 4 is there, 1, 0. You have to remove this case, right? You have to remove from the 12, you have to remove it. Then remaining, what are the number is there? You can see what are the number is possible. You can see 2, 2, 2, 0, 2, 4, 2, 0, 4, 2. Okay, then 2, 2, 0, 4 you can take, 2, 2, 4, 0 you can take, right? And then so after that, let us take start with 4, right? 4, 0, 2, 2 you can say, 4, 0, then 4, any other number is possible. Let us take here 2, 0, 2 is possible, and then let's take 4, 0, 2, 2 is possible. Clear? Any other number is possible, you can see. 0 all the places there. Okay. 2, 2, 0, 2, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So any other you can see 2, 2, any other number is there you can see? Not possible, right? 2, 4. Yes, you can take 2, 4 also, no? 2, 4, 0, 2 also you can take. Okay. 2, 4, 2, 0 also you can take. Clear? 10, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 number is possible. Clear? So among that you can see total 12 numbers. So 9 numbers here. Check it once everything is correct or not. Yes. So here is 3 number, total 12 number is there. These are the 4 digit number is possible using the 2024, right? Okay. Now our question is, what are the things is possible? You can see the greatest integer function of n, what is there asking here? N minus 172. N minus 172 divided by, what is there? 4. So this should be 4 digit number, right? 4 digit number. Clear? Okay. So using 2024, right? Correct, 2 2s and 1014, right? Now let us take, this is m. This is greatest integer, always integer, right? What is that greatest integer definition? If you're not having idea, just you watch my video, is already posted, right? Okay, greatest integer function is a function from real number to integers. So whatever real number you take, the output is always the greatest integer here, right? So take m. Suppose if I take greatest integer is equal to 4, x would be 4 to 5. You can take 4, here is 5, 4 to 4.9999 you can take. So will be 4 only. You should not take 5. If you take greatest integer of 5 is 5. Clear? Okay, therefore, if I take m is equal to greatest integer function n minus 172 by 4 is there. So what is the possibilities there here? N minus 172 by 4 is always from m to m plus 1. Just you can compare with the greatest integer function of x equal to 4, 4 to 5. The same way m to m plus 1. Now your target is which m is possible. M here is the integer, 4 digit integer, 4 digit number, right? Which number we can see? Let's see. 4 you can multiply, less than n minus 172 is less than 4 into m plus 1. Clear? Now what will get? So 4m is less than or equal to n minus 172 is less than 4m plus 4. Clear? Now you can add 172 on both sides. 4m plus 172 is less than n minus 1. Sorry, you are adding, no, it will be cancelled, right? Less than 4m plus 4 plus 172. Clear? Therefore, 4m plus 172 is, the between, right? N is between, sorry, from 4m plus 172 to, so I am taking this less than or equal to, no. So you should not include this, right? Okay. Fine. Less than 4m plus 176. Now your target is, we already found that there are 9 4 digit number is possible using the 2024. So among this, which number is possible? You can check one by one, right? So let us take, I am taking m is equal to, if I take if I take any m among this 4-digit number, you have to substitute. So we have to substitute in the n by 9 here. This should be a 3-digit equal, 3 digits equal digits is required. That means whatever n may be, right? Whatever n, you can divide it by n, this become a 3 digits, all the digits should be repeated, right? Okay, what are the m? So let us take here, m here is which number you can see? Let us take 2204 you can take. I am taking 2204. So let us take 2024 also, but you will not get the 3-digit number. You can verify this, right? M is equal to 20. What is the number I take? 2204. 2204. 04. Let us substitute it here. 4 into 2204 plus 172 less than n, strictly less than 4 into 2204 plus 176. Clear? Okay, you can multiply this 2204 into 4, right? How much it will be? 8816, right? Correct? Yes. Plus 172 less than n less than, this is 8816 plus 176. Now you can add this 172, what will get? 8898988. 8988. No. 8988 is less than or equal to, this is 89. What is the number? You can see, you can add 4 more, right? That is 28992, right? 8992. Clear? So what are the integer is there from? So n will be belongs to 8988, 8989, 8990, 8991. These are the integers only you can take, right? Understand? Okay. You can see, student, n here is, let us take 8988, you can substitute. So we need to find that n by 9, the greatest integer function of n by 9 is a 3-digit number, is a 3-digit equal digits. 3 digits equal digits. Clear? Okay. Then, so what is the possibilities there? If I take 8988, you can take 8988 by 9. Okay. You can see, student, if I take this one, then what will get? Approximately you can see 998.66 you'll get. This greatest integer will be what? So 998. So you can see all the digits are not same here. So if I take 8988, so other number you can take, you can see other number is what? 8989. Okay, that is also not possible, right? 8989 you can take, right? 8989 by 9, this is approximately 99.77 you'll get. This is 999, so 998 only you'll get, right? 998. If I take 8990 by 9, you can simplify this. This is 998.88 you'll get, approximately 99.88. So this will be 998 again. So again here is the 3 digits are not same. So you cannot take this. This suitable n is not there. So let us take finally 8991 divided by 9. Now what is that possibility is there? You can see. So how many times here is a 9? So 81. So 81 means 8 is there. So 9. So 8 again 9. So exactly 999 will get. So all the digits are same here. So understand? So all the digits are same means that is suitable n here is what? 8991 is the suitable n. Understand? I hope everyone understand, right? Okay. So you can choose all the n value here. You can see. So n will be the 4 digits. If I take m is equal to 2204, you can verify with a different m value, right? So you will not get all digits are same. You can suitable for this will be 2204, right? Okay, fine. So what is the suitable n here? 8991. When you divided by modulo 100, you take divided by. So what is the equivalently we can write? So this will be 91 is the remainder. You know the modulus congruency. This is your dividend, modulo 100. This is the divisor. The remainder is what? The remainder is 91. I hope everyone understand, right? So next video I will post you the how to find the remainder and what is the congruence property. Everything I will explain. Okay, you can watch the one shot of congruence video. Okay, it will help you for number theory problem. Okay, understood? So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Everyone can able to benefit through this video. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you.